Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to solve the 5G network problems on this device. So in this video I will show you two methods to solve the 5G network problems. Simply go to settings. Here you can see the option general. Tap on this one. Scroll to bottom. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on the option reset, and from the list of reset settings you have to select the option reset network settings. Enter your screen passcode. You can see this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. Tap on the option reset network settings. Now you can see the device is turning off, but this reset settings is safe. It will not delete any of your personal information like your files, your photos, your videos. Okay, this will reset only the network settings. After a couple of seconds, just restart your phone. Yeah, now our device is restarted. After the reset, still if you are facing the 5G network problems, simply go to settings, tap on mobile service. First of all, turn on the mobile data, and after this one, tap on mobile data options. Now tap on the option voice and data. So from here you can select either 5G auto or 5G on. So simply in this way we can solve the 5G network problems on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.